Okay students, now let's see exercise 16.1. Some questions are given in the form of puzzles because some digits are replaced by the letters and we have to find the actual value of that particular letter. So your first question is 3a plus 25 will give you b2. Now you have to keep the value of a in such a way that when you do the addition of 5 and the a, your ones place should be 2. Okay, so what you can consider 5 plus 7. Okay, 5 plus 7 will give you 12, whose ones digit is 2. So 2 is here, 1 is carry over. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the answer? If you replace a by 7, so 37 plus 25 will give you 62. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 7 and b is equal to 6. Next we have 4a plus 98 will give you c, b, 3. So here we have to find what is the value of a, b and c. Now here you have a. Now what should be added in a so that your ones place is 3? That is 5. So 8 plus 5 will give you 13. If you replace a by 5, so 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 here, 1 is carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So what is the answer? A is equal to 5. B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Next we have 1a multiplied by a will give you 9a. Now in the question whatever value you are considering for a, same should be reflected in the answer also. Suppose we keep 5 because we know that 5 5s are 25. So one's place is 5. So all 5 you can take. But 5 5s are 25. 5 is here. 2 is carry over. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2 will give you 7, not 9. So we cannot take a is equal to 5. So now we consider a is equal to 6. 6 6 are 36. If you consider a is equal to 6, so 6 6 are 36. 6 is over here. 3 is carry over. 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9. You got the answer. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 6. Move on to the next question. See the fourth question. AB plus 37 will give you 6a. Here the value of a and here the value of a should be same. Okay. So let's start. Suppose we are considering b in such a way that we are making addition in such a way that first step is not producing a carries. Then what we can say? This, if you consider this plus this will give you 6. So means a plus 3 is equal to 6. Means what we can say? This a should be 3. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Okay. Now if you consider this a as a 3, then what about this a? This should be also 3. But which number if you are considering over here so that the addition will be such a way that you are getting your ones digit is 3. If you are not producing any carry, that is not possible. Okay, so what we can say? A is equal to 3 is not possible. So now consider a is equal to 2. Then what happens? Now we are producing carry. That's why suppose you are taking 1 as a carry over here. So your answer for a should be 2. So that's why I am considering now if a is equal to 2, then what happens? If you consider here 2, what you have to do? By which number you have to do addition here? 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So that your a is equal to 2. 1 is carry over. So here your a is equal to 2. Then 3 plus answer. So what we can say? Here the value of A is equal to 2. If you consider that only, you are getting the answer. So A is equal to 2, and what is your B? B is equal to 5. Okay, so you have to think like that, whether you want to produce a carry or you don't want to produce any carry. Carry over if you are taking, so according to that you have to choose the value of A. If you don't want to take carry, then according to that, if you choose this value, you are not getting this value equal. Okay, so the answer for fourth question is A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Move on to the next question. AB multiplied by 3 will give you CAB. Okay, so first we multiply B into 3. The answer is B. Means this B in the question and this B in the product result should be same. That is possible only when you are considering B as 0. 3 into 0 will give you 0, or B is equal to 5. 5 is a 15, so one's place is 5. Okay. But B is equal to 5 if you are considering, then what happen? 5 is a 15, 5 is over here and 1 is carry over. That means 3 into A plus 1. 3 into A plus 1. Again your answer is CA, this one. But if you consider B is equal to 5, then this A and this A both are not same. Okay, because after multiplication you are adding something, so according to that your answer for here will be changed. So the value of A over here and the value of A over here will not same. So that's why we consider B is equal to 5 is not possible. So second possibility is what? B is equal to 0 if you consider. So B is equal to 0, then what we are getting? 3 into A is equal to CA. That is possible only when A is equal to 0 or 5. A is equal to 0 is not possible because we have 2-digit number. We cannot change that question. So suppose if A is equal to 5. So 5 is a 15. So you are getting 5 here, 5 here. There is no change. You are getting the same value. So what we can say? A is equal to 5. B is equal to 0. Then C is equal to what? 1. So this way if you consider the questions, so 50 multiplied by 3 will give you 150. So this is your answer for question number 5. So this way we can solve the questions. You have to just little bit think about the questions like this, then only you can able to solve the question. Next question we will see. Question number 6, students, try to do by yourself, which is same as your question number 5. Now move on to the next question. Question number 7. AB multiplied by 6 will give you BBB. Now this B and this 3B, the value is same. So how will you solve this? So if you consider this B and this B, if you want to take the answer same, so what we can consider? Suppose if you consider B is equal to 0, so 6 into 0 will give you 0. So if you take 0, that time this B and this B will be same. If you consider 6 is equal to 2, so 6 2s are 12. That time your 2 is one's digit over here and 2 is a question over here. 6 2s are 12. If you consider 4, 6 4s are 24. Question and one's place equal. 6 6 are 36. Question and one's place equal. 6 8s are 48. Question 8 and 48, one's place is 8. So these are the possibilities of values for B, that is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. According to that we have to choose the value A. Let's see how to find it. B is 0, B is equal to 0 is not possible because that time you are not getting the value for A. Okay? Because this all 0, 0, 0, they all become 0. So there is no meaning of this question. So what we can say, B is equal to 0 is not possible. Next, if we consider B is equal to 2, then what you can say, B into 6, that is your 2 into 6, it gives you 12. Okay, so where 1 is carry, So what you can say, 6 into A plus 1. This B has already taken the value 2. So same for this BB, which is equal to 22. According to this value, we have considered BB also same value 2. But when you consider 6A is equal to what? 22 minus 1, 21. Are we able to divide 21 by 6? No. So we cannot take B is equal to 2 because we are not getting the value of A over here. Suppose B is equal to 4. Then B into 6, that is 4 into 6 will give you 24. Okay. So here now your 2 is carry over. So 6 multiply A by A plus 2 will give you 24. Okay. That 24 is what? Sorry, this is not 24. 6A plus 2 will give you BB. BB means what? What is the value of B? 4. So here it is 44. Now what about your 6A? 44 minus 2. So 6A is 42. Are you able to divide 42 by 6? Yes. So A is equal to what? 7. So here you are getting the value of A is equal to 7 directly. Suppose you keep B is equal to 6. 6 6 are 36. Okay. So 6A plus 3 will give you 66. Okay, 66 minus 3 will give you 63, which is not divisible by 6. If you keep B is equal to 8, that time if you follow like this, you are not getting 6A is equal to such value which is divisible by 6. So what we can say, the value of A is equal to 7 and the value of B is equal to 4. So what is the question? 74 multiplied by 6. Solid 6 4s are 24. 6 7s are 42 plus 2 44. You are getting the value B. So this way we can solve the question 7. So here you have to think a little bit more to solve this question. Move on to the next question. 1A plus 1B. The answer is B0. So what is the value of A and B? Let's see how to solve this question. So here what you have to do? 1 plus B you have to take in such a way that your 1's digit in answer will be 0. So what we can say? 1 plus 9 will give you 10. 10 means 0 and 1 is carry over. Now 1 plus A plus 1 is equal to what is given? B. Now we have considered B is 9. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus A, B is 9. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 7. What the answer? A is 7, B is 9. If you want to replace, you can replace 71 plus 19 will give you 90. So this way we can solve the question number 8. Okay. Next, 9 and 10, 2 questions are left. Try to do that questions by yourself. Tricks I have already explained how to solve that kind of questions. Any query you can ask me, we will solve it. Thank you.